This is beautiful. You'll love this haul knotless and half feed and braiding tutorial.
Oh, this is going to be a beautiful tutorial. I love the half knotless, half feed-ins. I love how she gels it to make it nice and neat. There's your 3 strands. We'll start braiding them. And here's when she will insert the additional hair. Go ahead and braid that in. Braid in some more there. Oh, that is so beautiful. And she keeps it so neat. She normally continues to add in gel to make it nice and neat. There she is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. And there we are. There is the curly piece. She'll add that in so that that curly piece can hang out very fashionably. There we are. And then she continues the nice, beautiful braid and goes on to the next one. And I like how she did the top. She did stitch braids on top. And these are the final results.